Hi everyone, this is Becky from Teaching with Ninjanuity, and I wanted to share with you how I created QR codes that link to songs that I'm going to be playing in my classroom, just as a way to easily and quickly pull up a song rather than having to shuffle through CDs and pop them in the CD player, find the track number and all of that. So if you are interested, keep on watching. I hope this is helpful for you. This is the post I shared on Instagram, how I cut out the QR codes and put them on index cards, and that way they are going to be easy to just pin up around my classroom, staple where I want them to be, so they're really accessible and I can just walk over to them and use my iPad or iPhone or any other device that has a QR reader and just pull up the songs real fast and be able to use them. So keep on watching. If you have any questions, let me know. This is my first time doing QR codes. I've always seen them and thought they were really cool, but never really had the time to sit down and figure them out, nor did I have really the right activity to go along with them. So I got this idea to do the QR codes linked to music, and I kept researching, trying to find out how to do it, and I finally figured it out, and it's going to make my year this year so much easier. So I'm so excited to have you join me, and go ahead and keep watching. The first thing that you need to do is your music needs to be on your computer, and I've already got my music on my computer. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my songs to my Google Drive. This way I'm going to eventually pull up a link that links to the songs, so I like to kind of streamline the process, and what I did was I went ahead and I uploaded all of the songs that I wanted, so I could just automatically keep on going from there rather than having to upload every song one by one. I could do a mass upload. So what I did was I just clicked new and I did file upload. I found my music and I'm going to search through here and find the one that I want. Let's just do Backpack Boogie. It's already on my drive, but if I wanted multiple, I would click it and I would hold on to the shift button on my computer and select multiple, and then I would click open. And these are going to upload to my Google Drive. Right now they're uploading in just to my music folder. I've already got them uploaded into the specific folder by artist, but as you can see right here, they're uploading. I'm actually going to cancel it because I don't need these since I already have them all ready to go. The next thing you're going to do with this song is you're going to need to share it so that anybody with the link can view it. Now, it's still going to be private to you because you're not going to go out and share the link with a bunch of people, but that way you have the link that you need to go ahead and plug into the QR creator. So in order to do this, you come up here to the top where it says Get Link. We're going to use that in a second, but right now we need to do the Share 26 Backpack Boogie. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to change the settings. I'm going to change it to anybody who has the link can view. So I click the Get Shareable Link, and now it's anyone with the link can view. And you can change this as you need to, but this is the one we're going to go with. And I'm going to click Done. And you can actually do that for multiple songs. You would just click on the first song and then click Shift, and you can go up here and change the share status of the multiple songs all at one time, so it's a lot faster. I'm going to go back to that song we just did. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Get Link button, and I'm going to copy the link. Alright, just Control or Command C. And I've already got the QR code creator website up, and I'm using qrstuff.com for this. I've just found this one to be really easy and just kind of straightforward, and it's free. So the first thing we need to do is check the data type. We have a website URL that we're going to be using to create our QR code, so we're good to go there. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to enter our QR code here in the box. I'm just going to paste it. You'll see the QR will kind of update. I'm going to click Tab, and it should update. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to download the QR code, and this pop-up comes up just to tell you about their features. You can click Don't Show Me this again and say no thanks. But in the meantime, also this opening QR code box came up and asks you if you want to save the file, and you do. And I created a folder in my in my documents that's called QR codes, and you can see I've already kind of updated them here, and I have a list already going. It says QR code dot, and then it has a bunch of numbers. I like to change this so it has a song title in it. So this is Backpack Boogie. I think we'll go with it. Backpack Boogie, and it's a PNG, which is a picture file, and then I'm going to click Save, and it's downloaded to my computer. The next thing that I did in order just to make it kind of easy and organized was I had a PowerPoint going where I made a table, and I put the title of the song at the very top of the square, and then I just added the pictures along with it. So you can see I have these QR codes already ready to go. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go in and add the title, Backpack Boogie, and then I'm going to pull up my folder where I just saved that file, and mine's in my copy folder under TK and then QR codes, and here's the song. And in PowerPoint, at least on a Mac, you can click it and drag it. And so there is my QR code, and I made them all to be a certain size, so I like the look of them all looking the same. So I'm going to check the size on this one just so I make sure it's all the same, and it's 1.8 squared. So I'm going to make sure this is also 1.8 squared, and you can do them any size. I tested this one out to make sure it was still like big enough to be read by my QR reader, and it was, and so I went along with it. So I just add it right there, and it's good to go. Now you can print it out now, you can make it big, you can make it take up one whole page, whatever you'd like to do. I just liked it this way. I printed them out and then I glued them onto index cards. So anytime I'm ready to introduce a new number here, I can just add the QR index card onto my calendar wall, and I'm pretty excited to see how the kids react. I think that they'll love coming into the classroom and seeing, oh my gosh, a new one is up on the wall. I can't wait to hear it. So I'm excited for that excitement. One other thing I wanted to mention was that when you do read this, at least with the QR code reader that I have on my iPad, I will scan it and it will come up to a web page, and it will have a picture almost like the pause button and then the duration bar, and if you try to click play there, it won't work. So you'll need to go up to the top of that, and you'll see, just like when you go to Google Drive or anything, if you open, this is actually what it will look like on your iPad, and if you try to play it from here, it won't play. But if you go up here and you click this button, on the iPad, it'll just put a big play button in the middle, and that's all you'll need. You'll just click that with your, or push that with your finger, and it will start playing. So this is confusing when you first see it and you don't understand, so you'll just need to click this download button and it'll start playing right from your iPad. I hope that was helpful. I'm excited to get to use them in my classroom. School starts on Monday, and I'm looking forward to this being a great time saver. So I hope this is helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Like I said, it's my first time really using QR codes, so I might not know all of the answers, but I'll try to get you pointed in the right direction. So leave a comment below if this was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.